my beautiful people. This is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My Bonga people, today's topic, una know say our boys for Europe here. If una don't make money, more than all the flaunt that come out again for social media. Now, what did they always dey meme una na be this one? What did they always dey kill una na be this one? You know, say our Nigeria boys, I don't know what they worry them. If they make money, if the whole world never hear and they not go hear word. Even for Europe here now, some guys go make money, they'll go they buy car. And they buy big car, they not get document, so my darling people, they not get document, but they'll go they buy car. They not get documents, now they go they flaunt big car, they waka. They do like say they never see them before. Now them, the same them. When police will come control them, they never get driving license. Okay, now car be the first thing where you supposed to buy. No, you don't go reason on a car. You want to go buy big car. My mates they buy car now. Me too, I want to drive big car. Now the warriors. You understand? Okay, see this Dubai guy now. This guy they base for Dubai, na Igbo guy. He don't make money. As he make money now, he can't carry everything. Now see this money where this guy carry come out there. He carry big money. I go put the big money more and see him. He carry big money come out. Say yes, he don't make money, don't arrive, you know. He can't begin, but he can't begin the cash out. So that same week when you bring the money come and that police just see the money for social media. Now they say, so this guy, how you take make this kind of money? Now they just come bust him in the night. Police come arrest him. As police come arrest him now, he can't dey inside school ever since. All of a sudden, the police come and say RIP, say the guy don't meme. Now people come say, how this guy take meme? Person wey bring big money come out of recent, you can't just take meme immediately. You understand? And I must stop wetin kill this our brother. Now he matter come full everywhere. Now the thing called like they shocktalize me, you know. Police not say anything. They tell they say he don't meme, he wake, he sleep, he don't wake up. Money now, those money when they show that day now everything don't go just like that. What thing make me they do this topic now? Be see, our boys, someone use this one to learn. You make money if you know say you don't make in a genuine way. Maybe you make am through all those Maggi level. Maybe you make am through in say not be genuine way. You're not supposed to flaunt the money come out. Because now this flaunting, then they cause this problem so. This flaunting of money. When I go they flaunt money, they flaunt the big money. It's not good. It doesn't make sense. It not make sense. See this guy now. He's supposed to maybe not bring this money come out now. But this for not know where he did. They for not know. They for not arrest him. Now they worry many of our boys. So they say they'll go they flaunt money. Later police will come arrest them. It's not good. What's it go even make you that they flaunt big money come out like that? You know good. Okay, our boys, I say many for years, they don't go get documents for Euclid. They don't go get documents to waka. They don't even get driving license, but they will go they buy big car. When police will come control, they say documento, you know go say document bring. Where your driving license, you will bring Nigeria. I was saying that Nigeria now ID. From there now, police will come begin they follow them. Go say, hey, this person in the suspect. You will come see police will come they follow them. Police will come they follow them. Before you know, police will come catch them. Police will come catch them because police they don't already suspect you now. Say now what you they do now be this one. They will come catch that person. So now you make. Anything what would they do for this life? Where would they use our HQ? Where would they use our number 6? Because sometimes I they wonder if they are number 6, whether he hide or I don't know. You will know so you they country will not be your own. You make that kind of big money. You don't go carry and go to Nigeria. Maybe you go invest for better thing. Men that make many of our boys say made mistake for Europe to do it. Be say they see the Europe now they so one who really come Europe better pass them. Because the time when they make money, they don't use them way. They use them. Then they flaunt them. They drive a big car. Police will come. They so arrest. You will spend all the money for lawyer. Because he not use the money way. He just they use them. So they flaunt. They buy my car. they dress. So they call them marker name. You know. So now all those people, and then they cause the problem for themselves. You can imagine you dey country will not be your own. You carry if you see money, una go hey. In fact, that guy, maybe una go give him a slap for that he dead body wey dey there, because you make that kind of money, you don't even go invest am for your country. You carry am come out, they show am. Who you want show off for? Who you want show off for? Who you want show for? You want to tell people now and say you don't, maybe not be genuine way, because I don't see if you make money in a genuine way, you can't bring and come out for social media like that, because my mates they do one, the video they do one. Those ones, police thought they do them anything. They believe in a musician, they think they see the money. Whereas some of them not be musician. Now what do they believe? They cannot be the same social media where they see Zubi. Zubi, they spray money anyhow, they carry big money. You go they throw yam. When you go this girl party, now bond with it they spray. But at the same men for that industry, go see they say they don't get money. Not be the same drama where Zubi they are that they at. Oh. You want to tell me say now just only that movie they they make the money. No, police only do all those ones. How they use una say they more than not they use on our body, say they compare those people, because those ones now they be musician. Police only do them anything. They be actor, they art. Police believe say now those ones now they give them, but they forget say some of them they do all your money, but nobody go know. Nobody go know. So more than they use on our HQ, more than they use on our brain. This money of a thing so. Sometimes it go just come, sometimes it not go come. So as you make that money, I bet use and wear. Use and wear, because this our brother, me don't know what he push and go they show all those kind of big money for social media. It don't make sense. What you they do for? The Igbo guys, some of them, they like to they show off where if they don't make money. Eh? Now they make that man that go carry the go river, go they show their body for river, because they want make money. They want make money because of 20 naira where they put for side river for them. Eh? One of they use in HQ. See this guy now. Supposing maybe you not do this, maybe for say they are alive today. Who know what they give them, because they don't already see that money. They want to collect that money from the guy. Maybe they don't go eject and they don't go do something. That guy now don't me, because he not go free answer for himself now. Nobody know what they do to her. So my darling people, this one are just advice to our guys, advice to our people. I beg, make una use una HQ. More than not let this kind of money use on our head. Thank you, my darling people. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people.